seen it. So now Sophie's determined to watch it. It's just floral. See it?
I have no idea how to describe where it is. It's so yellow. I saw it. I was doing a bit of pushing and then I just got lucky.
Just gotta be patient. It's so yellow, isn't it?
So yellow. And I just looked there, the binoculars, and it was just there. Golden Oreo. Lifer.
Lifer.
So what did we see? We definitely saw the stork in the field.
Yeah.
We saw about 1 million barn swallows. Also more house martins and swifts.
Cormorants.
Cormorant swimming, which
Swimming
is
cormorants.
in a group. Booted eagle again. Buzzard.
Buzzard. Kite.
Kite. Red
Kite.
What else did we see?
I saw a red stat.
Oh yeah, you did, yeah. However, we are still
Without
looking
a bee eater.
for a bee eater, but we've had some good information from Edith
We got some pro tips.
from the campsite. So, if Edith's information is good, it will be soon.
And tomorrow vultures.
Tomorrow,
All the
vultures.
We need to study up on the types of vulture.
There's definitely, griffin vultures. You could see them really close up. Which I'm used to seeing them in the sky and being like, vulture. But close up, no. I'd like to see their weird head. They've got weird heads.
Tomorrow morning. Church Shrike.
It's a new one.
That's a new one. Big fan.
What's it look like?
It's got like a ninja mask. Brown head, ninja mask. Kind of white body.
Ninja mask.
Pretty like stocky. Two little ninjas on the tree. Looking for vultures. Landing there, yeah. Yeah, and I think there's some more that I can see sitting on the rock.
Let's get off the bloody road. Wow. Got a fluffy head.
They do have fluffy heads.
No, I know, but it's just so close.
I think we're in the hottest place on the planet right now. What did it say, 38 degrees?
That's what I said, yeah. It does feel hot.
It does. We are cooked. Bacon. Seen a lot of vultures. No owls, obviously, because it's 3:30 in the afternoon. 1 star. No
One
owl.
star. No owl. No eagle owl, so why not?
I think it's a vulture though. No? Or maybe eagle. Don't know. Not sure.
No, that's a red kite.
Red kite.
Two red kites.
Two red
That's
kites.
Two red kites, yeah.
I can't see.
Perfectly behind.
What have we seen?
Lots of vultures.
A lot of vultures. A lot of vultures.
Black stork, complete with nest and babies.
Baby black storks, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That was good. Blue rock thrush.
Blue rock, yeah. That
Very
was
nice. Like that.
I think I saw a black vulture.
Possibly a black vulture.
It looked very black.
Still no bee eater. Should we get a Coca-Cola?
I'm tired.
Had a big day. And we still haven't seen a bee eater. What we do for birds?
I thought the horse was going to put his head in the window. Oh, we're townies, aren't we?
Such townies.
Oh, there's a cow.
Right on top of the twig. Can you see it?
Oh, he's got a dead pointed face, beak, I mean. Yes. It's dead greeny, but yes.
We got it. We got it. We got it. It was far away.
Yes. A short-toed snake eagle. Did you see it had damaged wings?
No.
Had damaged wings
Yeah.
here, like two.
Like slits cut.
As if
Like
it's
it lost
been-
some feathers.
As if it.
Short-toed snake eagle.
I was pretty sure it was that. Well, I say that. Not pretty sure, but I thought it was that.
Definitely was.
And
Definitely
then now
was.
I'm looking at the picture, I'm like, 100%. 100%.